Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Nyx Steele here, your guide to all things tech at Inside Out Gear. Today's adventure takes us into the world of cybersecurity, where we're unlocking the secrets to going fully passwordless in a Microsoft Cloud and Intune environment. Get ready to say goodbye to pesky passwords and hello to a new era of security. In our digital age, the concept of passwordless is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution in cybersecurity. By ditching traditional passwords, we embrace a future where accessing our devices and data is both more secure and convenient. And who's at the forefront of this revolution? Microsoft, with its robust cloud and Intune services. Let's see what this means for us. Before diving into the passwordless pool, let's quickly understand what Microsoft Cloud and Intune are. In a nutshell, Microsoft Cloud powers our applications and data storage on a global network, while Intune is a part of Microsoft's Endpoint Manager, a tool to manage devices and applications securely. So why go passwordless? It's simple. Passwords can be a weak link in our security chain, often vulnerable to attacks. That's where Microsoft's innovative solutions come in. Going passwordless isn't just a click away. It requires some groundwork. Key prerequisites include an Azure Active Directory and devices that support modern authentication methods. And when it comes to methods, Microsoft offers several. Windows Hello, which uses biometrics or a PIN, the Microsoft Authenticator app, and even FIDO2 security keys. Each offers a unique way to secure your access. Now let's get technical. First, in Intune, set up Windows Hello for Business. This involves configuring policies for biometric data or PINs. Next, enable Microsoft Authenticator for Azure AD, providing a seamless two-factor authentication process. And for the highest security level, integrate FIDO2 security keys, which act as physical access tokens. Once set up, users will experience a smoother and more secure login process, without the hassle of remembering complex passwords. Encountered a hitch? Common issues might include synchronization errors or device compatibility. Always ensure your devices and software are up to date. And remember, the key to a successful passwordless environment lies in regular audits and user education. Keep your team informed and vigilant. The benefits of going passwordless are not just about convenience. It's a significant leap in cybersecurity. By adopting these methods, you're protecting your organization against many common cyber threats. And the future? It's all about continuous innovation, with Microsoft constantly evolving its technologies to make our digital world more secure and user-friendly. And that's a wrap on our journey to a passwordless world. Remember, in technology, as in life, staying secure doesn't mean staying static. Embrace the change, explore the new, and stay ahead of the curve. This is Nyx Steele signing off from Inside Out Gear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.